So when you reach here in the harvest, this is what you have to clear the place where you're going to assemble all, where you're going to organize the charcoal from, as you can see. So what you're seeing here is very simple. This is what you get. So we have our charcoal plus we have some water to add here. So I have to cool down the water. So I'll be going to help him, maybe to collect some water. So whenever I pour water, so that will happen, then the charcoal will cool down. So I have to be careful with the gear that you're wearing, the shoes, because this is something hot. So I managed to get some. So this is our process, and almost, and this is day 4. So I'll be able to script everything so that everyone can understand what's happening. This is a project that came out of the trees. They are falling down due to the rainfall, heavy rainfall here. So this is the sign of hard work. This is where the sweat comes from. Okay. Okay. So I'll be coming. Let me take you around the system itself. So everything that is on top, that is charcoal. So you happen to get the charcoal itself here. So you have to be careful. This has some little fire on it. And when I come close, zoom in. So as you can see, the quality is so good. Piano black. Yeah. So if you want to follow along with our videos, you can check on our playlists. Yeah. So I'll be sharing everything one by one in bits. This is how you can make charcoal at home with professional workers. So I'm going to stop from here. And if this video is helpful, if you've learned something, if it is adventure for you, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.